Good afternoon. I want to tell you about a race to save for Colombia company Arturo Street, which was founded by Mr. Arturo, who was born in the city of Medellin. From a young age, he showed himself is to be a totally different person. His uncles used to tell him, if you direct your action on the path of good, you will surely go very far. Following the advice of his uncles, Arturo has consolidated an empire of more than 18 stores in Latin America, 4,500 direct jobs, and more than 12,000 indirect jobs. His first job was at the Hiladerias Papipalfa stock factory, where he worked for 2 years, all that he wanted to say to make his dream come true. That is how, in 1965, in the San Victorino neighborhood of the city of Bogota, they opened his first store called the Camisita. A year later, he opened a larger store called the Dante, where products manufactured by various manufacturers were sold. 3 years later, he changed the name of his company Arturo to his name, like King Arturo and street, because people walk the street all day. And from that moment, it happened to be called Arturo Street, which has been a success until today. From that moment, he began to buy open store. For him, the most important this has been the quality and control of his garments. The future of this company is promising. They handle the entire line of men's clothing. They already have a children's line for children, and they are going to launch the nude Bread Marabella. It's a summer clothing line for people who want to dress more like materials, much fresher and most uncomplicated. The first store will open in Cartagena, and the project is to open an A store in the rest of the country next year. This company has a promising future signs. Its garments are of a high quality and always have great acceptance in the market, and is a brand that managed to take position because it's always at the forefront of fashion, which will continue to offer excellent quality garments for all types of men.